Yo, what one? Yo, big up Queenie and Dewey with them June Plum love, you see? Yo, you see me personally, I don't have no problem with Queenie and Dewey with them relationship and thing, but some people, some ladies where you see are coming at the people them on them Instagram and I leave some comment on them thing that every day they hitch up and watch the people them, the woman them. Some of them not have no man use them and deal with them. Some of them I just yam at them. So then just bad man to see the lady with her young June from her forward the Z. And some of the man them right now, the man them bad man doing for you, them can't get no woman. No girl no want them. Them want to reach her foreign. You can't reach her foreign and doing get to fly up on the iron bird and I live him life. So me just I say yo big up Queenie and Dewey, you see me? Yeah man. Just go and big up on yourself and just go and make your haters them go and chat, you see me? So just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe. I'm gonna bring you a next video from Queenie with them June Plum love, you see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself man.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.
No, I want
Full of chat, I will not take it back.
and I think I did like one time when I there Jamaica. Eh?
Ah!
I see them full of power
The
like
table turn.
like on a think full of power to come in I call to a old man.
Yeah, man.
Eh? A old trouble.
Uvex, nice enough. Yeah, man. Clap yourself, Queenie. Well done, Queenie. You done.
It don't make no sense in get up on Badmind no either. Just love and appreciate, you understand?
Right, that's all.
Nothing nice like when me see my brother a elevate. He come like a mere elevator.
Truth.
You get what I say? Not your heart clean and pure. You don't have no baggage. You see me?
Truth.
You see another baggage when someone who not carry me that love for to drop it and see a better way now in the life. Stop the tie bag.
Oops. Papa, let's. Wait a
Right,
minute.
that's all.
Get somebody I bring in.
Later, Queen Wave.
Yeah, later, Papa, let's.
Big
Have
up,
a
brother.
best
Big up
day,
Good
yeah?
yourself, yeah?
morning.
Hello, pretty girl. What?
We
Good
are call
morning.
from my
Good
friend.
morning.
We are called from Queen Wave.
Right, I send a jam down.
Allah, yeah, they big up yourself for one day. Right, that's up.
Nah, well, Queenie, go and big up yourself.
Big up yourself, pretty
Big
girl.
up yourself to my
Say your
Oh,
pussy clean
Lord.
and fat,
So
no
you
good
put
and
it.
girl.
Oh,
Hey,
my God.
Wave.
Thank you.
How your
Good
name?
morning, Queenie. Kels for
Kel, that's who
Instagram.
somebody up on the line.
Yeah.
Alright, what you on the right name?
Queenie, I'm Susan. I am from Guyana, but I live in the
No, sir.
States.
Suzette,
Queenie.
Queen from Guyana. I love the accent. Suzette,
Yeah.
fat. So you're right. Right, Sean. We all
Queenie,
know about
I
the
love
great
what I
island girl for a
see.
minute. Say yes, sir. We bless. Give. Who run the world, girls? I
Is
Hey,
it?
know we are show
Queenie.
up every
Take a
hour.
chair.
I
Live
always
life
say
because the
I
next
have to
second we don't know
call you,
what's gonna
Queenie.
happen.
I love what I'm seeing. I love what
Oh,
I'm seeing.
God. I can only
God put you
say.
and Dewey together, and no man can separate you. No, if God
Amen,
make this
amen,
happen,
amen.
and you got to prove all of us wrong because
Me
a
done,
lot of
me
haters
done a
out there
take shame out of
prove
them yeah,
them
man. You don't know, mama.
wrong. I
Me done a
love
take the
what I
shame
see.
out
I
of
just
them yeah.
love it. I
That
love
here we
it.
go on. Here we
I
go on.
love
You see
it.
the love with the right there, so
Burning.
it now have no broke.
Yeah.
Keep the fire
No joke.
burning. So you
Yo,
have to
you see how
do
the
it.
art them on Instagram I go up? I saw me and the
Never
Queen art
lie.
go.
Love
Queen and
Never
it.
mama,
lie.
me love it. There's no
I
boring
love
about
it.
it. It's just pure love.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
No joke.
Well,
No
I
front.
Yeah.
hate the whole people them. Totally.
Yeah.
thank
I
you.
know say and I done them. I just prove them wrong, you know?
Yeah.
Take
Basically,
Ah.
do we
take
have
little
done
shame out
on
of them
them?
yeah. Take little shame out of
Yeah.
them eye. Cause
Mm-hmm.
to be honest there whole heap more them a go sick of them can't stop this. This is not a
Amen.
bondage. You understand?
Amen.
Yeah, them can't
And
touch
do
it.
it before I go. I'm going to continue to make the people them will expect things in a negative way. Continue to let them be ashamed. Continue
For
to
real.
put them ashamed.
For real. Alright, that's some
Yeah,
man I
because
hear
so
that.
many people
But
have so many doubts.
in a real
Which
life.
one?
Prove
So
them
just
wrong.
go and seek them.
Yeah.
You know, we not deal
Yeah,
with negativity, you know. Goody big up your
yeah.
damn self, you know, cause you say it in a June Plum song.
It's a
You hear that?
Queenie.
You know,
Who did that on the line?
you know, you should have
Oh,
accent, yeah, your accent bad,
Enough
but like it.
love, oh God.
crazy. Where you say you call from?
Me I call from New York.
Oh, New York.
But yeah,
But I'm from Guyana, so I
yeah,
don't
Oh,
man,
always
yeah.
March,
watch
March,
whenever you
Guyanese.
come over
Ghanaian
there
face,
by you.
Guyanese. Pretty girl
Yeah.
on the left for you name.
Kells.
Kels,
Big
clean.
up, yeah.
Kels say yes, girl power. We are
Yeah.
sure. Thanks for the
I
support, okay?
Yeah,
hear the June
man.
Plum stem from, you know, say, you know the thing, go big up your damn self, you hear
Daga,
that, mama?
yeah,
Heart of love,
crazy.
heart of
What
love.
art alone, every
Crazy.
time.
Blessed love, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, bye.
Bye bye.
Crazy, never lazy, double tap all else. I'm a friend from Guyana. Say yes, Sky, you blessed. Bye, Kels.
Bye, Queenie.
Nice girl, Kels. Yes, girl power. We are show a girl for support, girl. I want to feel like I'm for compliment, girl, and tell her sister, say, you look nice, girl. Crazy tall. It's so beloved. You hear that? I appreciate my husband, and my husband appreciate me. With love. I'm a guy and a friend. I so love the guy in his accent. Yes, my friend, mother Indian. Blessing this man. No money. Could buy this all on our chat. She did not get green. He can't come and me better good. God is watching us. God is watching us from a distance. You know what if man do wedding vow? Without you, there's no us. You hear that? Without you, there's no us. That's our pledge. Without you, there is no us. So God will speak to. God is watching. God is watching. God is watching us from a distance. Morning.
Morning, Queenie.
Queen,
Oi!
yourself. Queen, let me tell you something, yeah? My bring my man come here too. I see him where them was 7 years yesterday, Queenie. 7 years.
Jesus Christ,
Tell us something.
congratulations for
Every
7
all of
years.
the
See you
people
bring
them
your
want
man
to
come
you
7
and
years.
Dewey.
And
Tell them
you're a
say
man.
not go
Whoop.
work.
Yeah,
Oh, you big up yourself.
I
Yes,
mean.
yes. We down the road, you know, Queenie.
Yes, big
Yeah,
up
man.
on the
Big
stand.
up to them, man.
7 years.
Got
Yeah,
it,
man.
7
got it,
years.
got it, got it.
Tell us
Straight,
what I mean.
straight, my God, straight.
Yeah,
God,
man.
I
what
see me
strength
now.
I love to hear
In my
that.
work, come Queenie.
Got
Yeah.
it, got it, got it, got
The
it,
work
got
and
it.
the man of them were eat for you. I said, do you go bust your pension? But I
Yeah.
have to give me to get
Mama, the
one
two
them.
talk out the thing, the two talk
Glory
out the
to
thing, cause of that,
God.
no, that them are gonna eat pan again now.
Now make them eat. My love, make them eat.
I mean, time a
Tell us,
healer.
man,
Yeah.
what, no man can separate.
Amen to
No,
that.
that them
When
can't.
Jesus say
Eh,
yes,
Them
7
can't
nobody
do
years,
nothing
can
about
7
say
it.
no.
years. I will have 7 times 7 more to go.
What you mean?
Amen. Give up the fight. Who have eyes to see, let them
Them see.
Them
see.
can't eat. So
Yeah.
I'm going
When
to
the rain falls, it don't
exactly.
fall in one man house top. Remember that. Everybody get them own 24 hours to live a day.
Exactly.
And them own blessing. And them don't know for claim them blessing and say I receive that in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen, amen, amen. Preach for them. Prayer, what's up for them? Prayers, prayers.
Yes, man. I pray do I use and beat them, man. Break that chain. Powers!
Powers.
Power to all of the
You and
believer
do it
them.
now, my shop. I see him to them that talk about me. Him there and spend nice every week. Man, I think
Hey, nice. It's true, you know. Listen, my husband come here and him get some money. And when him come, he just put them in my hand and I just feel rich all over again.
I tell you.
You hear that?
Don't watch the ears of them.
Hey, yeah, pussy pence and it start. It's sweet, man. Every sentence, I would just laugh to myself. I say, whoa.
Yes,
Not even
good.
say to him. I say, first me I say, but I say, look that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Material thing come and go. Love conquer it all, and that you don't understand.
Love
You
all
see,
women.
you say you love yourself and believe in yourself. You
Mm.
take every negative and sit down and wait and show
Yes.
them and prove you wrong. Positive.
When me a pray and fast, me no joke.
Listen, man. In the mind, you hear me tell you something, go down for my knee and my mind. My prayer. And sometimes in the bed, I pray. I say, I need me forgot and I say, no make a difference in position me in. You see, from God know my heart. I'm a lie down in that bed. I'm a pray how much in there. You know how much abuse them, abuse me and disrespect me.
Man, I'm a feel away, but you know, just keep your thing on the down low. Don't come and feed them negativity because that them love enough.
Yes, truth.
Look how she go on. No, don't give them that.
No.
Don't give them that. Love
My
away.
king is here, my husband is. Oh my God! Listen,
Yo,
man.
the boss, man. Welcome to the UK. Welcome to
Connect
Ghana.
with my father, man.
I want to name.
And Cass. Yeah, man. May I follow your 2 page, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I just down the road you live, man. Right at Tottenham here, let's with the Broadlane.
Jesus Christ, man.
One side, then, man. One side.
Only a lovely couple, man. I can feel
Yeah,
the blessed
man.
energy, man.
For
Man,
real,
a long
for
time.
real,
A
for
long
real.
time we are doing it, you know?
Mean and don't stop beat my God, man. I hear that.
Yeah, I mean.
Unity is strength, you know. You
Yeah,
see,
man.
black power love and sweetest love, you know. But a lot of us, we're afraid of our own self. So we hold back. So when them say we, I show love to loved ones, it feel weird to them. But if you notice, you see some white people, but when a black man see you, it's so harmful to them. My brains manipulate from way back when. That's when I see the beauty in it. So that them find it negative. So you see me and you and your partner, I make a difference to them. Love is lovely. 7 years of the day. We're not going to go on 70 more.
Yes, see, I'm
Right,
a
that's it. Right, that's it.
Yeah, man. Blessed.
You do nothing to my queen, you find you.
That not the sir. I don't know I wish topic you just touch a while ago. That topic there. That
That
topic there.
not play.
That one then I recognize in that book here at all. Remember me tell you that.
You have to touch something for the ear to them because you know you have to, you know. But
Well,
it's not
me,
gonna
you
work.
see me not touch none for them cause he will go on. That a sparks. And me not put red to red, you know.
No, we're
Hey,
not
that.
getting energy.
Alright.
It's not gonna work. We're rebuke them.
Green to green, me go.
Rebuke them.
Green to green.
Prosperity.
Alright. No red to red.
Prosperity.
We not shed no blood, you know.
Yeah.
I love we are shed.
Yeah, green.
Right,
Prosperity. We are
enjoy
prosper.
your wife.
Yep.
Bless up on yourself.
All right,
Connection.
we are right time you're coming now when the weather is right.
I'm if to tell you, my boy. I'm if to tell you. By next year, me used to it, you know?
Yeah,
Me get a
I'm here
little
about
angai.
the cold on the plane. Virgin, it mashed me up the first time when we come here 2016.
My God,
Yeah,
it is an experience to talk about,
yeah,
believe
man.
me.
I swear, God,
You hear
everybody
that?
will just come for the first time, never know. The first time we come 2016, my first visit,
I me tell
we come for
I first thing me said to my wife, man, me say,
yeah, man.
baby, when me can
Cool,
never
man.
tell me say
Cool in
yo,
the morning there.
the plane bad that way there. Cause me I tell you, my God, I you they even know.
Yeah, man.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man.
Everybody
Yeah,
have to
man. So,
get them
Queen,
own
we are going to the
experience.
upstairs, you know, saying a little more, see?
All
All
right,
right, my
have a
God, big up
blessed
yourself.
day.
All
And
right.
guidance, say that.
Yes, my general. Big up.
See that?
Nice, bye.
Mad move.
What a lovely couple. Jesus, oh, them nice. Them nice like a mayor. Blessed love, man.
Bless them, yes.
Yes, the support. Thanks to the support. All my royal crazies, good morning.